Skip logic in Qualtrics allows you to control the flow of your survey by directing respondents to different questions based on their previous answers. Here's how to add skip logic to your Qualtrics survey. Log into Qualtrics. Visit Qualtrics and log into your account. Select your survey. From the dashboard, select the survey to which you want to add skip logic. Click on the survey name to open it in the survey editor. Choose the question for skip logic. In the survey editor, navigate to the question after which you want to apply skip logic. This will be the question whose answer determines the skip action. Apply skip logic. Click on the question to highlight it. On the right panel, look for the skip logic option. Click on it to open the skip logic settings. Set conditions. In the skip logic window, specify the condition that triggers the skip. For example, if you want respondents to skip to a different question if they answer no to a yes or no question, set the condition accordingly. Choose the destination. Select the question or the end of the survey to which respondents will be taken if the condition is met. Save and test. Click Done to save the skip logic. Test the survey by previewing it to ensure the skip logic functions as expected.